Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and today I'm going to show you about cleaning a stove. When you are cleaning an oven and stove area, you are going to want to, of course, start from the top, work your way down. It gets very sticky and oily and greasy up here. Most of that can usually be removed with like some kind of a multi-purpose spray. Make sure you never use anything abrasive to clean anything here because it will scratch. When you're cleaning these things, you can see here clearly that I use this one a lot more this side than that side. The easiest way to clean these things is to put them in a bucket or in a laundry sink with really hot water with Domestos in it as well, because then just let them soak and swish them around a few times and they'll come clean really easily. When you're cleaning around the dials, you don't want to actually spray the multi-purpose spray directly onto the dials because you don't want to get all of that into here. And you want to make sure that you don't scrub too hard because you don't want the markings to come off the stove. So spray a little bit of spray on your cloth, or use a little bit of cream cleanser, and then carefully wipe around here, wiping around all the dials and around the switches. You can see where it's building up, and just make sure you don't use too much water when you're doing that. When you are cleaning the rings, this is an electric stove, of course. I mean, with a gas stove, you would have to take out all the bits and pieces on the top where the gas comes out, and you would have to wash them in soapy water and then just let them dry out on a tea towel. But with this sort of thing, yet again, you can see this is the one that I use most of the time. It's fairly easy to get that off. You just sort of actually lift that up, and then you can get underneath, you can see. And then you take it off and go wash that in hot soapy water. Once again, I say do not use anything that is abrasive when you're cleaning these things. You just need to use cream cleanser and clean water. Change your water a lot. So you go around and take all of these off and clean them all and go for that. Now, for the actual oven, cleaning the actual oven, before I open the door and start showing you things with cleaning the actual oven, I'll also mention at this point in time that you can also pull the oven out fairly easily. You just do it slowly and carefully. Then you can see where the cord is behind. Actually, you can see how filthy this is. I will state in my defense that I do a lot of cooking. Anyway, so you can actually pull that out and really use a bit of cream cleanser on the side of the oven and get that really clean as well. Anyway, so I'll do all that later, but when you're cleaning the actual oven, make sure you have an old towel or something down underneath, because when I open that door, I don't want anything to drip out of it. I've actually already sprayed this with oven cleaner, so a while ago I just sprayed it all and it looked all foamy and white basically, and I've let it sit. So I'm at the stage where I'm going to wipe it. This is a really dirty job. And clearly I'm going to do this before I do the floors or wipe the kitchen cabinets and things like that, because it's the order you do things is important. Okay, so in order to be as quick as possible, what I'm going to do is use lots of paper towels for this job. Like I said, I've already sprayed it. When I sprayed it, it was all foamy, and now it should be a case of just wiping most of this grime off. I'm going to go around. It is possible I might have to respray some areas. Look how that just wipes off so beautifully. But anyway, so that I don't make this too long, in some ovens they have a metal rack on the side where these shelves go through, and in that case you actually just have to hook them up and pull them out because they have little holes that they clip into. If you look really carefully you can see it. Otherwise with these ones I just have slots, so I'll be making sure I wipe all of these, keep getting clean paper towels and wipe all in here, and just basically keep going until I've wiped. It's the quickest way. Go through a lot of, it's the quickest way is to go through a lot of paper towels, basically have your bin bag ready for you, and just keep wiping. And once you're satisfied you've got most of the grime off, then take everything over to your kitchen sink. And you've got a kitchen sink with some detergent and hot water. And you know, I might use something like this on the stainless steel parts, which is not actually abrasive, but it's a little bit more heavier duty than just a cloth. I'll probably use some microfiber, a magic eraser sponge things. So they're very useful when cleaning with the little bits that you can't get off. And I'll certainly be using cream cleanser and any type of multi-purpose spray that's safe to use on that product. So yeah, that's basically how you go about cleaning an oven, or how I'd go about cleaning an oven. And thanks. activedomestics.com.au